Hurt people, but we might have took it too far.
Teman-teman, kembali lagi di channel Bilar sama TV. Nah, berhubung hari ini corona lagi, nah aku mau berenang di rumah aja nih sama adik aku. Aku siap-siapin ya teman-teman.
A few moments later.
Nah, teman-teman, ini airnya udah diambil ya. Ini dia. Udah berenang. Nah, sekarang aku main ini dulu ya. Nah, teman-teman, ini juga ada banyak bola-bola ya teman-teman. Jadi nanti kita akan berenang ya teman-teman. Sekarang kita akan main bola dulu ya teman-teman.
Hurt people, but we might have took it too far. Don't ever question if it's love, you know I got you if you do call. It's so much easier to run with the traumas wherever you are. Can't afford to point the finger, should probably tend to my own flaws. God, with what little pride I can see. With what little pride I can salvage, I'll just pick up and go. Trying to sing to your heart, you went straight for the throat. Know you fronted the bill, but now we divvy the quote. That's time spent with nothing to show. Hard to stomach, I know. Manipulation, we didn't need to deploy. But you playing with my vision like you think it's a toy. A product of pain, your demons bleed through the noise. Nothing but a host you sent to seek and destroy. Just a reminder to clear your mind up. Just exercise up and not just fight. Neither the body start to pile up. Let's put that behind us.
Dan teman-teman, dadah.
Keeping count, my default is sugar free.